I'm going to show you how to record your screen in under 3 minutes. You're going to want OBS Studio, so go to obsproject.com/download, and this works for Windows, Mac, or Linux. So once you get here, you can download the installer or the zip file, whichever you prefer. But once you get it installed, open it up, look on the bottom left. If you don't see a scene, click the plus sign, name it or leave it as is, select it, and then go over to sources, hit the plus sign, select display capture, tell it OK, and then you can select which monitor you want to record. Now you can see your microphone's moving here, but you want to add it to the sources in case you want to make adjustments to it later, add some filters. So click Audio Input Capture, add existing, mic aux, and click OK. So when you're ready to record, you just click Start Recording. And once you're finished, you just click Stop, go up to File, Show Recordings, and there is the recording we just made. Now, anytime you start to record, look right here at Device. If you select your mic and you don't see it there, be sure you have it on, otherwise you'll record with no audio. And check your display capture to make sure that this is the monitor that you want to capture. All right, folks, for more videos like this, keep coming back. Next one, I'm going to show you how to edit videos for free.